Hi, welcome to Kris's Corner. This is Kris with Craft Closet. I'm so excited to show you different projects you can make with our COLORlite Naturals. These are laser safe and they're made with a color application to 1/16 inch basswood. They are perfect for all kinds of projects. We have about 20 designs on our website now and a lot more to come, so keep watching. Today we will show you a few things you can make with this wood. Our first project is bookmarks. The file for these is available on our website under digital files. When we use COLORlite Naturals with a Glowforge, we will go to the dashboard and select Unknown Material and put the thickness of the wood in, which is 0.05 inches. Then we will put in the engraved settings as 1000 speed, 80% power. The cut settings are 300 speed, full power. And score as 500 speed, 50% power. COLORlite Naturals are lightweight, so make sure you pin the material to the laser bed so that it'll lay flat and not move. And also engrave and score first before you cut to make sure that it lays flat. Okay, we've cut out all of our projects, so let's get started by cleaning the surface with a rag and white vinegar. Since this cuts at such a fast speed, there really isn't a lot to clean off, but we just want to make sure it's clean before we continue. While I was doing these projects, I found that it's also best to finish the wood with a clear coat before using markers. If I would have thought ahead of time, I would have finished them before cutting. I noticed that the markers can kind of spread through the wood grain if it's not finished. But after it's finished, it works perfectly. This wood is so versatile. These fun monsters and century boards are from Paws Perfect Designs on Etsy. They are so fun and easy to make and creative project for kids' parties or for project craft kits. This wood also makes the best gift card holders, especially because of the 1/16 inch thickness. This gift card design is from Samantha Doodles. Easter is just around the corner too. This fun file from Moonit Studios on Etsy is awesome with our COLORlite Naturals. It is lightweight but durable, so perfect for Easter basket tags. It also works great for wooden stickers. Just attach 3M to the back. And don't forget the bookmarks. It's the perfect thickness for bookmarks. Thanks for watching. This is Kris with Craft Closet. I can't wait to see what you make with our color board naturals.